Hi, my name is Tidy and welcome to Cinemathis. Today I'm doing a lighting test. I use the Falconize for my key light, the Falconize RX-TD, and then on my right I have a filler. I'm using just an IKEA light in a lamp for some fill, and I have two practical lights behind me. I use the ND filter, the Nisi ND filter. I'm going to do a 1 and a 3 stop for this example, and you can tell me which one you like, prefer A or B. I won't let you, well, you're gonna know which one it is, but let me know which one you like, A or B. I use an ND filter because it helps to fight the reflection from a key light. It makes the skin more even and pleasant, and it also darkens the background. So this is some of the reasons why I use an ND filter. So if you have brown skin, you're having issues with those the reflection, even skin tone, just throw an ND filter on it. So it's a little hack that you can try out. So leave a comment below with which sample you liked better, A or B. Also, I'm curious to what ND filter, if you use ND filters, which ND filter you choose to use, and if you've ever used the Nisi kit and decided to try another one and like that better, please leave a comment. So I'm always open to trying new things. Yeah. So again, thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you're having a wonderful day.